Hey guys, Blarg Nut, Zombie Mole, Game Masters here, and today I'm going to take a little break from the funny and we're going to examine this these new reports going around the internet right now in regards to finding little wires inside the various different dog food brands. I want to say Pedigree has been one of the brands in question, as has some various selections of kibbles and bits. Now, what really got me a little freaked out about it was the fact that my dog does eat kibbles and bits, and I've got a brand new unopened bag, and we're going to open it up and check it out and see if there are any little black wires in it. So, as you can see here, we have a bag of kibbles and bits, and I'm going to do a small little unscientific experiment. Some of the people have been stating that in these are little bits of metal wire. I've got, if you can see it here, a small little cluster of rare earth magnets, and something that we can take a look here and see if it'll move the metal shavings around or not. Go ahead and open the bag if I can. And pour some out. Should be enough there. And we're going to take a look and see what we can see. I don't see anything suspicious about this piece. Let's take a look at, how about one of these? Whoa. Wow. Okay. Let's see if I can show this. I'm going to try to refocus here. See, against that white background you can see this big huge looks like a hair. Take a look at some more. The way they were making it sound, however, was that it was in every single piece. Oh wow, yeah, here's one here. You can see it right there. Let me just grab another at random here. I do see, again, this is difficult, it's not a little black, it kind of looks like a little blonde hair sticking out of that one. Don't see anything there. Nothing there. Wow. Yeah, I mean, that's a little disturbing. I mean, you can see it plain as day, you know, right there. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to pull them out because I want to see if they're magnetic. Let me refocus back in here. There we go. And I'm just going to go through and pull a few more out that I see. And it seems to be that it's kind of isolated to a few specific pieces. Wow, this one's got quite a few in it. And they just pull right out. Open one up and examine it. Yeah, here's one that Alright, well, let's do the magnetic test now. And what I figure, if these are metal shavings, which I see no metal moving around. Let me... Okay, I'm going to try to get a real close-up shot here. Those are the little black hairs. See if I can get a better... Right there. See it sticking out. If I had to guess, I would say that it's probably not black wires, but instead it is probably more animal byproducts like hair from rats, pigs, could be horse butt, who knows. You know, yeah, I understand the concern. It seems that, you know, I mean, look at what your dog eats on a day-to-day basis anyway. I mean, you know, are they gonna go out and catch a bird? Some do, and eat the bird. I mean, you know, they're crunching down bone and you know, feathers. You know, a little bit of pig hair, rat hair, probably not going to hurt your dog. I mean, you know, your dog evolved from wolves, and wolves will eat anything. That's not to say that your dog needs to eat anything and everything, and I do understand the concern of finding weird, unexplained objects like that in your animal's food. If anything, let this open your eyes to what the ingredients are in the dog food, and to prevent from finding stuff like this, look on the packaging and try to find dog food that has specifically states on there contains no animal byproducts. You will probably find one of the main ingredients to be meat meal or poultry meal, lamb meal. That when the red flag in that is meat meal. Meat, you have no idea exactly what kind of meat. It could be a combination of several things. Poultry meal, beef meal, basically what that means is they take, imagine making a stew. You're rendering all of the meat down into a very thick water, and then they purposely overcook it even further until it all boils out, the water boils out, and you're left with a powdery substance. That's the meal. And in instances of meat meal, you really have no way of knowing specifically what's in that. You know, it could be a combination of several different types of meats. So anyway, point is, pay attention to the ingredients that's in your dog's food, and understand, I mean, you eat hot dogs. Who knows what's in that too? So yeah, I mean, there's concern. Like I said, I pulled these out. I found no metal in them at all, but I can't really identify exactly what they are. Is it hair? Is it plastic? I don't know. Some of the theories are that it could be like a mesh screen that's used to filter out foreign objects, and perhaps the filter got damaged somehow and got into a major batch. But in the research I've done, these little things, these little black wires that people are calling them, have been found in dog food going all the way back to 2001. That's what I've seen, at least that's what I've been able to research thus far on the internet. I personally will be taking this particular bag back. Kind of freaked me out a little bit, and the fact that I don't know what it is and they are not telling me on their website what it is. And they also have numerous complaints across Facebook and other social media sites, and they're not explaining what it is. That's enough to give me pause to wonder exactly what it is. So I'm taking this bag back, and I'm going to be researching a new brand of dog food for my doggy. Hope that informed some of you. Hope it wasn't too boring for you. And until next time, this is Blarknut, Zombie Mall, Game Masters saying, have entertainment, stay scary, and game on.